Allow your body to relax, let go. Allow yourself to enter that meditative state, that flow state, that focus state. Calm your body, focus your mind. I'll help you focus on the things that are important and let go of what's not. Take a deep breath in and let it go. Deep breath in. Out. And one more. And out. Ooh, are we feeling good or what? All right, bring yourself up. We're gonna work a bit more on the outer hips. Tag in